Welcome back. This week we got a couple of things going on. It's been a pretty crazy week. So this car came in for random multiple misfire issue. It's a Whipple C6 Corvette, and we got that sorted and retuning it with Derek Dunbar DD Tech. It's been doing pretty well. We just noticed that it had a little bit of knock on the tune, so we're adjusting spark plug gap right now, which should fix that problem. Ash is not here. He's off in India somewhere eating fresh lamb chops and enjoying life while it feels like 25 degrees out here. Tata's got like 4 hats on behind you. You can't see. But yeah, that's where we're at. So that's what we got going on right now. A few more things in the shop. We'll show you guys as the video goes. And yeah, pretty much. So step 1 to gapping spark plugs, you must pull the spark plugs from the engine. Step 2, essential tools to do spark plug gapping. You need a ratchet, spark plug socket. Don't use a battery one if you're not experienced doing it, because you could mess some stuff up. Always throw them in by hand and then start there. You need this fancy Fuel Tech tool that my best friend Rome bought me years ago for Christmas because he got tired of seeing me trying to press spark plugs to close gaps. And you need a feeler gauge, which has all these different gauges on here, which will show you. They have numbers. Can't really see them. Mine's kind of faded. It's got a couple miles on it. But yeah, everyone's like 0.25, 0.28, 0.30. This car is getting 0.28 on the gap. That side's already done, being it's a V8. 8 plugs, obviously. Pull your spark plug out. You put it in our fancy Fuel Tech tool, which is not necessary, but this makes your life a lot easier. We'll say probably one of my favorite gifts I've got in a long time. That's tools. And you basically, what you want to do is, see, so this goes in there, and essentially what you're doing is here, I'll show you with it out. What you're doing is, so this gap here, that's where you put this. So you see how there's play right now? It's going really easy. So when I checked it, this was a 0.35 with the original, which is just how these plugs typically come out the box new. Some people don't do that. You don't have to do this on like a normal like tune-up car or something that's just general service and you just get it. But with the performance cars and the boosted applications and power adders and all that, you do. So, and you don't want to turn this, so basically you put this in here and then you turn this down and you stop. As soon as it gets tight, stop. Because I've seen people turn this too tight and then actually crush the spark plug. You don't want to do that, because then you just got a bad spark plug. So that's simple. So you see that gap now? Smaller. That one's done. So put this one back, and we got 3 more to go on this side, and we are back to doing dyno pulls. Thread it back in by hand, and you can use your tool to tighten it up. Again, don't use a battery ratchet or an air ratchet or anything like that if you don't have the experience doing it, because you could mess some stuff up. So I go slowly. Once it's there, that's it. You just take it off. Don't over tighten your spark plugs like you're tightening lug nuts, because your mechanic will hate you and it might cause issues that you don't need to have in your life. It should come out that easy. So this car did, like I said, initially come in for a random multiple misfire issue, which he had changed like plugs and coils and all types of stuff, trying to chase it himself. And he brought it to us to compression check and leak down test it, because that was kind of like the last place he was at. I have pictures of that. We'll drop pictures of me yesterday when I did the leak down test on it. But it passed all that. So when I was taking the plugs out yesterday, I should have probably checked the gap then. Would have saved me time. But, you know, I did notice that the plugs were rich. They were black. because the car's running rich. So, which led me to believe that his random multiple misfire issue he's been chasing is because the car is so rich, it's just dumping fuel. And I decided to offer him to retune it. And that's what we've done. And so far, the random multiple misfire has gone away. And the car is running 100 times smoother. But Derek did say it has a little bit of knock in the tune. Nothing crazy. Let's check spark plugs and spark plug gaps. So that's what we're doing right now. And of course, they were gapped way too big for a boosted application. So we're just adjusting that. Do another hit. Check the log. If it's good, we should be good to go. And this one should be ready to go home. On LS cars, always make sure that your spark plug snaps 1 time on the plug and 2 times on your coil, or it will misfire. I think we're done here. All right. Back to doing pulls.
Starting with me, that makes me nervous. Update. We're in India.
How do you feel driving in India?
I hate it. The traffic's crazy. You need a lot of patience to drive out here. You're going maybe 20 to 30 miles an hour on the highway.
Why does my camera look like it has astigmatism?
Lots of all organic fresh fruits and vegetables. They have these once a week in certain areas. It could be a Monday, a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or a Friday. This area, it's a Friday.
There's stuff everywhere.
Why is there no light back here?
Cow.
We're at the Waffle House called Wafflix. It's 10:46 p.m. My fiance requested a Nutella waffle with extra bananas and some mini pancakes for the rest of us to share. So,
We're here. They ran out of bananas, so we went to buy some bananas.
For 100 rupees, which is about $1.20 for 15 bananas. So, pretty lit.
You're pretty happy about that, huh?
Yeah.
So, I gave those dogs a banana. Sorry.
You want more?
You need to like...
With the whole thing?
You didn't peel
I
it.
eat the whole thing. Like it's eating the peels of like other fruit.
Feed it one more.
It's gonna be shitty all over the place. We're heading home. Imagine you walk up to your car and there's a whole ass dog sleeping on it. We're about to try some, they call these kaki rolls out here. So I got my fiance an egg one and I'm trying a chicken one in a few when it's ready. I'll show you guys. So I got the chicken, it's kind of what it looks like. Got the egg on this one. About to give it a bite and try it out. What do you think? Bro, I'm just walking in the street of this like this market, and then here we got literally a head gasket sitting on the side of the road. Somebody just did a head gasket drive. Oh, he's doing it right here. Oh shit. crazy. Literally on the side of the road.
Alright, log is started. So we're done. I'm just gonna road test this thing real quick. And if it's all good, which I'm sure it is, because Derek don't miss, we're sending it home. Tata, you could hold this.
Okay.
There you go. Alright.
Oh, a Supra!
Oh, is that a Supra? Oh, you would come out. Oh, this thing rides. It wasn't doing all that before. Nice car. Gotta love a boosted Vet. Who doesn't love a boosted Vet? And I love the white on this car. I think you lost everything from the glove box on your feet, but
Yeah, I'll put that back.
we'll reorganize that when we get back. And there you go, folks. A finished car, ready to go home. Put all those back.
I gotta make sure.
So they're rightful seats.
Yeah,
They need seat belts
they do.
because they're just not staying.
Make sure his face is facing out.
Hello. I was gonna say its name, but I know its name. Does this one go here?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
this is pretty cool. Look at this.
Your car is fucking badass. I like that. It's awesome. We should copy this. I see the hard work. I see the hard work you put into this car, and just wanted to say how much I appreciate what you've done. Is this something somebody puts on your car? I hope this makes your day. From a fellow car enthusiast. I've never got one of these put on my car. You ever got one put on your car?
I've never had one.
I've never had one. Dang. Boomer smoked out the whole area. Sunday at the gun range, you heard? With my squad. Some slight. Instructor JCS right there. Blah, blah. Some slight, yeah. Y'all ready? For my boo thing.
Oh, yeah? Go ahead, set her up. Let's see how you handle her.
Oh, stop it. You recorded John do that? That's crazy. You made me think he had war, bruh.
Always at war.
That joint is something different. Okay. Ping. Okay, Thuggy. I see you. John over there killing bears. Okay. Cool. So we're back. All done. Just finished road testing the Corvette Watata. We got it all tuned. No more misfires. That's all done. But yeah, I mean, hope you enjoy this video and see you on the next one. Peace.